Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add items to your wish list on Zara. If you want to save some items for later and never miss out on restocks or price drops, here's how you can easily add your favorite product to your wish list on Zara. First of all, open up the Zara application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After finding the product you want to save, go ahead and tap on the little bookmark icon right underneath the product preview. After you tap on it, you will then be able to save the product to your list. Repeat this step for every other product you want to mark and add to your wish list, and that's it. Now, if you ever want to view your wish list, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner and click on Favorites. You will then be able to see your favorite items on the page. You can now check, remove, or move the items to your bag whenever you are ready to buy. So that is how you easily add items to your wish list on Zara. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.